How to cancel order on Temu app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can cancel the order on your Temu app. If you want to cancel an order on your Temu, here are the steps that you can follow to cancel the order. First of all, you have to know that the ability to cancel an order might depend on the status of the order, whether it has been already shipped or not. But Temu typically allow cancellation within a short window after placing an order. So let's dive into the topic how we can cancel an order on Temu. First of all, open the Temu app on your device. Once you have launched your Temu app, you have to make sure that you have been successfully logged into your account. And here you have to tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom. So once you are on your profile, you have to tap on the orders to view your order history. So you have to tap on your order here. Once you are on your order, you have to look for the order that you want to cancel from the list of the recent order. So here I haven't purchased any order, but I can provide you the guidelines. After that, you can find your order. Here you have to tap on the order to view the more detail. And you can check the order status. If the order has not been shipped yet, you may see as the option to cancel it directly. So if your product has not been shipped, you can easily cancel your order. And after that, you have to tap on the cancel order of from your Temu here. After that, you have to tap on the OK or confirm option to confirm the cancellation. So the amount you paid will be typically be refunded to your payment method, through it may be taken as a few days to process. So with this step, you should be able to cancel an order or instead return if needed. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.